Get my racks, yeah, get my dough. Nigga talking shit, yeah, we up the scope, yeah. Pushing barrels, yeah. Toting shells, yeah. Nigga riding with the stick, yeah, we toting shells, yeah. Riding with the stick, towing heavy shells, yeah. Fucking on your bitch, then I tell her ass farewell, yeah. Getting dope, that boy talking, he's a hoe, yeah. Get my racks, yeah. Get my stacks, get halo. Always on first place, bitch, we pushing gas, yeah. Nigga talking all that shit, but his ass in last, yeah. Nigga keep on talking shit, I'll send him to the past, yeah. Niggas keep on trying me, while I'm high off gas, yeah. You gon' sit in jail for me, cause you dumb as fuck, yeah. Put the chopper in his spleen, bout to fuck him up, yeah. Stack my racks to the ceiling, bitch say high as fuck, yeah. Bitch say high as fuck, yeah. Bitch say high as fuck, yeah. Bitch I'm praying to Allah, bitch I give my praise, yeah. Niggas talking all that shit, he too fucking lame, yeah. Niggas speaking down on me, he too fucking gay, yeah. Gonna touch that boy up, yeah. Make him straight, yeah. Put his body in the bin, bitch I'll get him lost, yeah. Chop him up like some food, get him toss, yeah. Guessing on that nigga's grave, bitch I floss, yeah. Shitting on that nigga's name, ain't no cost, yeah. Bitch I beat it up, yeah, she love my sound, yeah. Bitch sober as fuck, yeah. Pop a perky now, yeah. Bitch, I'm selling hella weed, bitch, I get my dope, yeah. Nigga talking all that shit, I hit him with the scope, yeah. Then I take his main bitch, you know we alone, yeah. Got that chopper with the stick, yeah, your ass a joke, yeah. Send you high, bitch, I'll make you float, yeah. Up in the sky, yeah, me got your toe, yeah. Can't hang with ride or dies, bitch, say all so slow. They some fucking jokes, yeah. They some fucking jokes.